Assalamu alaikum everyone. Myself Minha Janju and I am from United Public School Tandu. Dear student, this is our revision time. So I hope you clearly understand all of the chapters in 9th class. The first chapter is cell structure and its function. So in this chapter we have to revise the different part of the cells, cell organelles, where do cells come from. Okay. So first topic is what is a cell. So again we have to memorize that a cell is defined as a fundamental unit of life. Different part of the cell membrane, it is a thin flexible layer surrounded in the cell of the all living things, and it is basically separated in the inside of cell from the outside. It is also known as a cytoplasmic membrane or plasma membrane. The cell wall, it is an outer layer surrounded certain type of cell and is usually present outside the cell membrane. Nucleus, it is a spherical shaped organelle present in the almost of the eukaryotic type of cell. So the cytoplasm in the fluid contained inside. So it is the fluid contained inside of the plasma membrane and is usually contain many of the specialized cell organelles. So important in the cell organelles, some important cell organelles are mitochondria, plastid, ribosome, endoplasmic reticulum, Golgi apparatus, lysosome and the vacuoles. The mitochondria are small spherical or the cylindrical organelles and are often referred to as the powerhouse of the cell. Second one is ribosomes are small granule-like structure present in the cytoplasm of the cell. The endoplasmic reticulum ER is a large network of membrane bound tubes and sheets. Lysosomes are commonly known as suicidal bag of the cell, membrane boundary sacs which are filled with digestive enzymes. Okay. Vacuoles on the other hand are the storage sacs used for the storing liquid or solid content. The Golgi apparatus or Golgi bodies is a collection of the stack of membrane bound vesicles that are for the shipping certain cellular products. Okay. Where do cells come from? Ronald von Virchow, a German biologist, was the first one of the explain that cells divided into new cell form only by the division of the pre-existing cells. Therefore, has been concluded that all cells arises from the pre-existing cell. Student can have a glimpse of the important question below the learn about some of the additional chapter topics. Question number 1. So, state whether cells are flat or not. If we observe cells under the microscope, the image appear as a flat and two-dimensional. The reality through is the cell have a defined length, breadth and the thickness. Cells are not flat. Question number 2 is where down the main characteristic of a plasma membrane. The plasma membrane is a selectively permeable membrane and it is a consist of lipids and protein. Where are plastids found? Name of the different type of plastids. A plastid is a self